Girls, look what product I have brought for you today. Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Powder. Don't think it's banana, so that you can eat cold-tasting sweet fruits that will give you creamy dopamins in your brain. It's not baking powder either to bake cake and smell the vanilla fragrance for comfort and kitchen girl vibes. This loose powder will give your skin long-lasting coverage. This balanced loose powder provides you safety for your skin to look good. You will fall in love with your skin in a way that you will feel dizzy. Banana in the powder will make your skin balanced, and the baking powder will make any extra shine go away. This powder will prevent you from looking like a perfect-skinned boring Barbie girl, and help you shine with your natural look. This powder has a yellowish tone, but don't compare it to the poop in the toilet. Otherwise you will get rotten papaya smell of poops when you use it on your face. Ew, you shouldn't be imagining things with a powder like that. But don't you think, this powder is made in that way to get criticized? Anyways, I think if you are into making artificial looks that add emptiness in your life, this powder is perfect.